Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to find deleted friends on Snapchat. So if you also want to find deleted friends on Snapchat, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Snapchat. Wait for it to load. You can see over here Snapchat has been opened. Initially you'll be led to this kind of interface. In order to find the deleted friends, what you have to do is export your data. For that, what you have to do is tap on the profile icon that you can see at the top left corner of your screen. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here you'll be able to see your profile. You can see several informations over here. At top right corner you'll be able to find several icons. You'll be able to find the icons for notifications, share and settings. Simply tap on the gear icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to find several informations over here. Scroll down. Over here at second last you'll be able to find the option for my data. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the my data interface. You'll be able to see all the data that are available for download. You can see several options over here. Make sure to turn on the button for export HTML files. It is turned on by default. If it is not turned on, make sure to toggle this button. After that, what you have to do is turn off all the other options except user information and chat history. In order to turn off the option, what you have to do is tap on the option like this, turn off all the options. After that, what you have to do is tap on the next option that you can see on the screen. Now you'll also have to select the time range. Simply select the time range of your choice. Here I'm just going to select last month. After that, what you have to do is confirm your email. Make sure the email address is correct. After that, what you have to do is tap on the submit option that you can see on the screen. Now wait for a while. Snapchat is creating a copy of files. This process can take a long time to complete. You'll receive an email when your export is done. So what you have to do is wait for the email. Now after your data is ready to be downloaded, you'll receive an email. What you have to do is open the Gmail application. You can see over here I'm opening the Gmail application. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here Gmail has been opened. Team Snapchat has sent me an email. All you have to do is tap on it. You can see over here your Snapchat data is ready for download. What you have to do is click here to access the copy of your Snapchat data. Simply tap on the option, click here. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll have to provide your credentials first, enter your username. After that, tap on the next option. Now enter your password. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. In this interface you'll be able to find the option for C exports. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be able to find the option for download. All you have to do is tap on it. Now wait for a while and your data will be downloaded. You can see over here the file has been downloaded. Tap on the open option. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. The data will be downloaded in GIF format, so you'll have to extract. So simply tap on the option extract that you can see right over here on your screen. Now you'll be able to see all the documents over here. Out of all the documents, what you have to do is find the document for friends. Once you find it, simply tap on it. Now you'll have to choose the browser to continue. Here I'm just going to open with Chrome. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to see all the informations regarding your friends over here. You'll be able to find the section for friends, friend request sent, deleted friends, hidden friend suggestions, ignore Snapchatters, etc. In the deleted friends sections, all the friends that you have deleted will be displayed over here. You'll be able to find the username and display name as well. So all of your deleted friends will be displayed over here. That's how you find the deleted friends on Snapchat. So that is how you find deleted friends on Snapchat. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.